Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to talk about, the Samsung S22 Ultra 5G. This smartphone is a beast in every sense, and we're going to dive deep into all its incredible features. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Alright, let us get started. Just look at the stunning Samsung S22 Ultra 5G, available in 5 captivating colors: dark red, green and burgundy, phantom black, and phantom white. You can pick the one that suits your style. Let us dive right into the specifications. This powerhouse boasts up to 12 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance. And with storage options of 256 GB and a massive 512 GB, you will never run out of space for your apps, photos, and videos. Now, let us talk about the display. The Samsung S22 Ultra 5G features a breathtaking dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With a dazzling 1750 nits of brightness, your content will shine even under direct sunlight. And with a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, your interactions will be as fluid as ever. When it comes to photography, this phone is in a league of its own. It boasts a versatile quad-camera setup on the back, featuring a jaw-dropping 108-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and dual 10-megapixel telephoto lenses. Whether you're capturing landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, this camera setup has you covered. Powering this incredible device is a 4nm processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and efficient energy usage. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth multitasking and gaming. Worried about battery life? Do not be. The Samsung S22 Ultra 5G packs a robust 5000 mAh Li-ion battery that's built to last all day and then some. No more worrying about running out of power in the middle of the day. And, of course, it comes with the standard brand warranty, providing you with peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. You can visit Amazon's store through the link given in the description box and know more about this device. To sum it up, the Samsung S22 Ultra 5G is an absolute powerhouse. With its stunning display, versatile camera system, powerful processor, and long-lasting battery, it is a device that ticks all the boxes for a premium smartphone experience. Thanks for joining us in today's review. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or thoughts about the Samsung S22 Ultra 5G, please drop them in the comments below.